What assholes? Okay. So apparently this lane over here is not important.
Clearly we never get to move, I guess.
Would you fucking go? Sheriff.
Somebody. Sheriff man.
Looks like I'm letting this bastard in.
Oh my god, look at this huge trailer he has. I don't think so.
Oh my god.
Wow.
You should see how much shit is everywhere. Check it out. Are you gonna film this shit? Oh.
Yeah.
Did you see that guy's truck? It was hella hydraulic. Oh my god, there is so much shit. Check it out.
I can't see anything.
Wait.
Oh.
Shit. Look at how much shit's on there.
Oh shit.
How does that even happen?
The trailer like busted open or something.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Did you see that fucking truck?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that trailer's busted open.
Check out this debris. No wonder why there was so much. Oh.
It's like Hurricane Katrina.
Check out all this packaging. You smell that? Dude, grab those tires.